Dear children, there is most interesting PYQ concerned to JEE Advanced 2014 by integration by part, which is most tricky question. We have a trick for these questions which simplify very easy. The trick is here. I is equal to e to the power x, e to the power x, fx, f dash x. This is equal to e to the power x fx plus c, constant of integration. We have a simple proof to this expression. I is equal to, taking left hand part, e to the power x fx, open to the bracket, e to the power x f dash x dx plus e to the power x f dash x dx. Now applying integration by part, then fx e to the power x dx minus d by dx f dash x e to the power x dx and dx. Believe to this expression, then e to the power x f dash dx. Now simplify this f dash x, this is e to the power x, now this is f dash x e to the power x dx and e to the power x f dash x. Now this part and this part is cancelled out and we have e to the power x f dash x plus c. Very interesting. Look here, e to the power of fx plus c is equal to e to the power x fx plus c. Then we apply from this trick and solve very easy, very tricky in 3 or 4 lines. Now we have I is equal to e to the power x tan x plus log sec x ex dx. Be open tan x plus dx plus e to the power x log sec x base e dx. हम इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. क्या आएगा ये e के पावर x को ऐसे रखेंगे, इसको जब इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो मेरा आ जाएगा, आप लिख दीजिए tan x dx माइनस इसका डिफरेंशिएशन d बाई dx e टू द पावर x इंटीग्रेशन tan x dx, इस पूरे का इंटीग्रेशन. नाउ इसको हम छोड़ देंगे ऐसे ही, e के पावर x log sec x base e dx. Now we have e to the power x, this is log sec x base e. Integration of tan x dx is equal to log sec x base log sec x base e. Now this is e to the power x and this is log sec x dx is equal to e to the power x log sec x ex dx. Now this part and this part cancel out and we have log sec x base e. This is right answer. That's all. इसका आंसर e के पावर x log x बेस e प्लस c होगा। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था। हमने जो ट्रिक बताया है, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एडवांस और मेंस में रेगुलरली पूछे जाते हैं, तो आपको ऐसे करना है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए और शेयर करिए लोगों को, ताकि अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो लोगों के बीच में पहुंचे। थैंक यू डियर चिल्ड्रेन।